One of the questions that has always been asked is to why men are better than women at sports. We've categorized this into 3 different parts, which is anatomy, physiology, and the cultural differences we have.
Men and women have always varied in size. Men naturally have a higher center of gravity, are on average stronger than females, and have higher bone density. In America, the average height of a male is 5'10", while the female's average is only 5'4". Due to evolution, males have hips for locomotive efficiency in contrast to women's wide hips for childbirth. Wide hips mean that women will have shorter strides, a lower trajectory, and the muscles and tendons will lose their efficiency quicker due to the angle of the pull.
Obviously, men and women have always had differences in the size of their bodies, and one of these examples is the body fat that the average male and the average female have. On my left, we have Brett, who is holding the average fat for males at 15%. On my right, we have Nikki, who is holding the average fat for females at 25%. Even for elite athletes, the average percent of body fat for females is still double that of males. One of the main differences between men and women in sports is their levels of testosterone. Testosterone is the male sex hormone that controls secondary sex characteristics like a deep voice, body hair, and body fat.
So testosterone could take you from this to this.
Some examples of differences in testosterone found in the animal kingdom are like red deer that have been castrated and have been known to grow antlers, along with monkeys that are females have been known to screech like males. This has also been found in the case of Capstone, who was questioned by her testosterone levels in track because of the way she ran.
We wanted to show some differences between a female collegiate athlete and an average male student. We found that even though the female athlete had a lot of technical training in throwing, the male could naturally throw the ball further due to a higher delivery point and sheer muscle strength. On the other hand, because of the 7% increase in flexibility of women, technical events like high jump and hurdles, the women could excel. There is no difference between a male and female strength of an individual muscle fiber. There is, however, a difference in quantity. Males have more of these fibers, allowing them to produce more red blood cells and increasing their aerobic intake. Thus, women hit their lactic wall quicker than males do.
In addition to these factors, cultural differences also play a role in athletic development.
The average male sports salary for basketball is $5 million compared to the WNBA, which is $72,000. For baseball, the average male salary is $2.8 million, and football salary is $1.8 million. In comparison, the highest female salaries for any sports is women's tennis at $345,000 and women's golf at $162,000 a year.
These stats show that male athletics are held to a different standard than females. In our culture, it is pushed on boys to become athletes rather than to become domestically inclined as it is for females. The following clips show that when the roles of male and females in a specific culture are switched, it obviously goes against our learned natural social behaviors.
And they're watching foot game.
Yo, what's up with the Knicks?
Sucks.
Make room for LeBron.
It sucks when your team sucks.
Yeah, because when your team sucks, you suck.
Although these clips may be viewed as exaggerated, it proves that the way we are raised in our culture is the way we assume social structure.
This can be tied into athletics because not only are men biologically prone to athletic activity, but our culture has deemed it necessary and encouraged success.
Every living thing on the earth today has followed one simple rule: survive and thrive, and our hypothesis after researching athletics is that this theory can be applied in this category.
Males have used athletics as a tool to attracting selective females. Women's natural instincts of wanting a successful male leads them to the natural world of athleticism. The world of athletics entails competition, motivation, determination, and success. The men who thrive in this world demonstrate these abilities that women desire. Because females can be selective, males have to compete for the top.
Natural selection has enhanced males' physique, level of hormones, and natural abilities to survive and thrive. This in turn increases males' natural performance, which is why males are better at athletics than females.